How to add friends on Discord. If any day you would like to add your friends on Discord but you do not know how to add your friends on Discord, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you need to launch the Discord application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very Discord application there. After you tap on the very Discord application there, you can see that your Discord application is launched on your very mobile device. After you launch the Discord application on your mobile device, you have to go to the option of the messages there. After you go to the option of the messages there, you have to go to the option of add friends and tap on the option of add friends. After you tap on the option of add friends, you have two options. You can either add by username or you can either find your friends. For example, I would like to add by username, so I'm tapping on the option of add by username. After that, you can add a username or you can enter a username that you would like to add. For example, Helglo23, Helglo23, and if you really find the person, you have to send the friend request to the very person, and after you send the friend request to the very person, you also need to confirm that either you are a human or a bot there, and after you identify yourself as a human being and send the friend request, and after the person accepts your request, your very friend will be added on your very Discord account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.